Baby Grooming Kit Baby Care Newborn Healthcare by Glee Baby is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Safety Grooming Kit. Glee Baby offers a perfectly assorted pieces kit that any parents would love to have for their baby. The kit includes thermometer, medicine dispenser, nasal aspirator, infant comb, natural hair brush, gum massaging brush, finger gum massager, cotton swabs, rattle, nail clipper, nail files and pacifier. Well-groomed baby while on the go. Glee Baby Kit is made especially to keep your baby well-groomed and healthy all the time and is made using high-quality and safe materials. Save your time by keeping all your baby's toiletries organized in one place that will allow you to easily find what you are looking for in one traveling case during traveling or at any other time. Perfect compact. The case is designed perfectly to be stored in your diaper bag or nursery drawer and doesn't take much space, which allows you the easy access. Safety and guarantee. If you feel due to any reason that you are not happy with your purchase, we'll send you a full refund with no questions asked. And make your baby well groomed.